Is your AT&T modem a ticking time bomb of outdated tech? Let's fix that and supercharge your internet. Many of us experience those frustrating internet slowdowns or connection drops, and often the culprit is an unupdated modem. Keeping your AT&T modem's firmware up to date is crucial for optimal performance, security, and stability. Think of it like giving your internet a tune-up. First things first, you'll need to access your modem's web interface. Open a web browser on a device connected to your AT&T network, either wirelessly or with an Ethernet cable in the address bar. Type in the default gateway address for your AT&T modem. This is usually 1,921,680,1,254. But it might be slightly different depending on your specific model if that doesn't work. Check the label on your modem for the correct address, or perform a quick online search for your modem model and default gateway. Next, you'll need to log in. You'll be prompted for a username and password again. This information is usually printed on a sticker on your modem if you've changed it and forgotten. You might need to perform a factory reset on your modem. But try the defaults first. Common default usernames are admin, and passwords might be password or a unique code found on the device. Once you're logged in, navigate to the device, diagnostics, or system section. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your modem model. Look for an option related to firmware update, software update, or check for updates. This is where the magic happens. You should see your current firmware version displayed now. Click on the button that says Check for Updates. Your modem will then connect to AT&T servers to see if a newer version of the firmware is available. If an update is found, you'll likely see a prompt asking you to confirm the installation. It's important to note that this process can take several minutes, and your internet connection might temporarily disconnect during the update. Do not power off or restart your modem during this time. Just let it do its thing. Once the update is complete, your modem will typically restart automatically. You might see a success message confirming the firmware has been successfully updated, and that's it. You've just ensured your AT&T modem is running the latest and greatest, ready to deliver the best possible internet experience. Regularly checking for these updates can prevent bugs, enhance your connection stability, and keep your network safe. So go ahead, give your internet a boost and enjoy a smoother, faster online life.